That's the one. You have the kettle. That is a good example of convection.
What? Convection.
This one, very sure. Hey, I can bet you it's going to come up. Almost 99% your convection is going to come up on this one here. Convection, first thing, check. Is there a fluid involved or not?
You draw in the diagram, the main move on over up, right? It up.
No, it's more than that. No, what is the fluid in this case?
Water.
Yeah. Make sure you recognize that.
What's the hole that the water comes out?
Convection always involves convection currents. How do they look like? They look like this. Maybe you bring the worksheet from last lesson. Oh, yeah. So can you remember this question? It's a very standard question. No, you didn't. Okay.
Yeah, question. Why you draw like the arrow is at the tip of the diagram?
At the tip, what tip?
No, at the tip of your line.
Oh, you didn't do it either.
I did that. If you write, if you draw your arrow at the tip of the line, right? Is that correct?
Come, we start from the hot part. Which part of the kettle is hot?
The bottom, the
Here,
middle,
right?
yeah.
This thing. So it makes sense that your arrow start to move like that. Oh, look at what you have to know. Huh? That is a standard question too. Come, you better write down the answer for this. This is a very standard question with a very standard answer. If I memorize this answer, Ashton, I'm betting it's going to come up. It's a standard question. It comes up all the time. All the time. What is your question?
Are you allowed to put the arrow at the tip of the line?
Arrow? You should, because that indicates the direction.
At the tip. No, because you write it like at the middle of the line.
That's fine. Your teacher will not care about that. As long as you have an arrow somewhere. Oh, I'm so tired.
Should be more tired than you.
CCA. Oh.
You just don't like water. That's the thing.
Oh, okay. But I thought you're going for triple science. Oh no.
And I just do triple science.
You better work really hard on triple science.
I don't think I
Probably there's only one class taking triple science in your school, I think.
I don't even know.
Yes, of course. And for you, maybe you have more triple science classes? 2, 3? I thought that number. Maybe 3. Okay. But my point of view is physics is easy because there's very little things to remember, provided you understand it. There are only 60+ formulas. Yeah, and that about
60.
yes.
How many are there in chemistry? You say there are only 60 plus in physics.
But chemistry is not about remembering formulas. It's a lot more than that. I can show you the physics formulas.
No, thank you.
But chemistry remembering a lot more than that. So you need to remember about reactions of acids. But maybe you have no problem. Reactions of metals, reactions of bases, reactions of organic chemicals. Yeah, talking about like hundreds of reactions.
For what?
Chemistry. But of course, there's a certain pattern to them. Make sure you understand the underlying pattern. But anyway, you have no choice. Probably you still have to take chemistry.
Why would we from need to take chemistry? Chemistry. You know, I thought you were talking about physics.
But for bio, the good news is I don't think there's a single formula.
Yeah, but you gotta remember a lot of body parts
Yeah, a lot of names.
and a lot of those cell parts.
Yeah, and
Like
a lot
mitochondria.
of words.
So it's like no matter what, they're still memorizing. Just how much memorizing there is. Oh, I do not like this. Why I need to write so much on?
Is there a lot?
Do you know how much I wrote? I wrote more than the whole thing.
Oh,
Oh my.
hey, I'm serious. Go back, memorize this, then
How
for
do
the
you
answer.
in 1 day?
And this is not even 100 words. Hey, but do you understand the concept behind that or not?
Behind what? This?
Yeah, correction.
See, what I don't get is why the arrows are like that. I mean, why the convection currents go in that manner.
Oh, why?
Yeah.
Okay, come, just quickly go.
Like conduction is just like just
like-
heat transfer.
Yeah.
But this one is like, oh wait, is it because in fluids there's no definite shape? So like the currents just go haywire
Mm-hmm.
in a way.
Mm-hmm.
Is that why? But like in solids, most of the time in conduction examples are like solids, like a metal bar in a bonfire. So the heat transfer is from the fire to the metal bar. So it's just like one line.
I think look at it this
The bar
way.
is solid.
Can the metal bar move and flow around? No, right?
So it's basically what I said lah.
Yeah, but
Okay.
of course, like you already mentioned many times, you have to use the right scientific terms. So anyway, here, hot, Okay, sorry. Hot, right? Question.
Yeah.
So this is hot. Therefore, the water here is hot as well. Now remember this hot stuff or hot fluid rises. But like this,
Like hot air rises while cold air sinks.
yes, but that one is your primary school kind of answer. Your secondary school will ask you why. Why?
Because the hot air expands.
Go on.
Of a hot air expands, resulting in the air rising.
Expands means what? Volume increases, right?
Yeah, which is why resulting in the air rising.
One more term. Volume increases means density decreases. And therefore, since the density is lower than the surrounding, it rises.
Since the what?
Density is lower than the surroundings.
It rises like oil in water.
Yeah, but here we are talking about same substance. Hot air.
Cold air is like the complete opposite.
Yeah.
Cold air contracts, so the volume decreases, so the density increases, and because wait, then let me answer it the actual way. Cold air contracts, therefore the volume decreases.
I won't say it's cold. I mean, okay, we are talking about relative terms. You follow this idea, hot water rises, fine. Yeah. But you can also bet that this is cold here, right? At least initially, or cool. So Not that you intentionally cool it down, but that's the nature of it. Therefore,
Why would that be cold air then?
I wouldn't say cold, it's not air, it's water.
Why would that be cold water then?
Oh, because they haven't reached, the heat from here hasn't reached this part yet. So it's considerably cool. Makes sense?
How would you know that the diagram is showing that phase of the?
You have to assume it is, unless they tell you otherwise.
It is about specific, and then now here you gotta assume.
You got to,
Sense.
otherwise you can't have any answer at all. Anyway, low tide when there's no moon. No, it depends on the position of the moon. Okay, whether there's no moon or when there's full moon, you still have high tide and low tide. But oh, which question is this? This is difficult. This is difficult. But your school may decide to do this, but maybe not so much for experiment. I don't think you can do a tight experiment. This is
Which one?
this one.
Oh, let me see this question. I will learn.
How come I don't feel?
Okay.
You mean which one? The one in the back.
Where? Oh.
This one.
Right. Which of these alignments of the Earth, Moon, and Sun create a very low tide at point X?
Wow, this one is difficult.
What's this?
Why did I jump up with the corner?
Why is this talking about gravity?
Yup, forces. But first, you mark up where's X, huh? Okay, X is here.
At the top.
Yeah, it's always at the top, so okay. Now, they talk about a very low tide. I want to activate the plan, but okay.
I
Now,
think I know the answer.
this okay, what kind of forces are we talking about here?
Gravitational force.
Yep.
AKA weight.
Yep, there you have
AKA
it.
Newton.
So what happens is the water on the Earth will get pulled towards the moon and the sun. Right? So therefore, at this time, X is at low tide. Okay? The water is pulled towards here. So X is low tide. But look at here. What happens? My water is pulled towards here and towards here as well. Now I have two opposing forces. I will have a low tide here, but not that low. Okay, not so low. How about here? My water is pulled towards the sun, but some of it is pulled towards here, the moon too. So, well, it won't be a low tide at all. Here, even better. Okay, or the water is pulled towards here, but I see some water being pulled towards there. Which,
So it has to be concentrated to one area.
yes, which,
Therefore, the
Function.
answer would be
yep, that would pull the most of the water away from X.
A. So the gravity on Earth is attracted from the moon and the sun, correct?
Yep, the gravitational force
when-
on the
when-
water.
So when the moon and the sun like aligns, right?
Mm.
All the gravity on Earth is attracted and concentrated on one specific like point of Earth, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
But this is a difficult question.
Yeah. Kind of.
No,
No, I don't think many people would know that the gravity is attracted to the moon and sun.
okay, but maybe her
I knew it was the moon. I didn't know it would be the sun.
That's when you have the lowest and the highest tide. When the moon and the sun are aligned.
Oh my days! I don't like this.
It's okay. I guess this kind of question may not come up for you.
I'm saying I don't like the science test that's coming up. I'm gonna like
Oh, try to like it.
I'm gonna die. We end now. What time you should?
5:45.
Oh, it was 5:30 for a moment.
Oh no, you're being delusional.
Oh.
The rest, no problem. Okay. Question? Are you done with the questions? I assume you are. Esther,
Mm,
are you done with the forces questions? But to highlight a few things that no one should be tricked. Okay, trick. Yeah, there's some tricky questions inside. If you have done them, you notice some are pretty tricky. Okay, number one, May. D and C and D and G.
there is a E, just the E is not correct.
So which one is the incorrect one? Which one? Sorry.
He's asking specifically which letter did you not say?
H.
So many.
Huh?
So many.
What do you mean?
Wait,
H is correct. Wait, sis.
Okay, come. I'll tell you which one's incorrect. Anyone?
Oh,
Only
Huh?
D is false. I mean F as in F for false.
what about A?
A?
You can change the volume of an object.
Oh, come. I have a ball here. I have a balloon here. Can I go and squeeze it to become small, for it to become smaller?
Oh.
I can. So that's changing the volume. So A is correct.
This one a bit tricky.
And yes, it is. And when I squeeze it, am I changing the surface area too? Yeah, I am. And changing the shape, I mean, I can bend it into a doggy, so that is changing the shape too. The only thing that I can't do is this one. Yeah, but okay, I'll stop at that. Even though you can go on and argue about it, you can actually, but I'm going to that.
By putting something inside.
No, never mind. But I shall not go down that route. Okay, pressure, you better get it right.
Please tell me it's B.
P for boy, yeah? Okay.
Oh my days.
You see, you can do.
I never said I couldn't do MCQ.
Okay, since that's the case, come next time is number 3.
Oh, I already. It's his turn.
Oh, me, yeah.
My turn.
Okay, when it's
I'll answer
turn.
you anyway. C. Hopefully.
This one is tricky, yeah. I don't know whether you realize or not. Me, do you get it right? Oh, okay.
It should not be. It should not be me.
Hey, I don't know whether you notice, okay, there's one important concept they taught in primary school called extension. Extension means final length minus initial length of a spring, or can be rubber band too. The second thing is, since you guys are all in lower side, I can add something else. The extension is proportional or directly proportional to the force. In this case, it's the weight or the load.
What extension you go with?
No, it's proportional.
Passport.
Have you learned proportionality?
No.
Are you sure? Really, have you? No. Oh, okay. So anyway, never mind. Look at here. What's the extension? This is the extension. 20 minus 8, 12. This one? Good. And this one?
2.
It's about 2 or 3. Okay, maybe 2 to 3. All right. So, okay, let's take to 3. 3 will give you a nicer answer.
You always side with me one. Stop bullying me.
Do you see the proportionality? If it's
I'm
one,
not, I'm blind.
so that's why I'm writing out for you. 1 Newton extension is 3 cm. 2 Newton extension is 6 cm.
That's crazy, man.
4 Newton extension is 12 cm.
Serious?
Yeah.
I didn't know, man.
Did you see the pattern here? You know?
Math guy.
Yeah, this is a primary school pattern. So if it's 8 newtons, the length of the string will be what? It is, by the way, 8, 8 means what? 1 newton is 3. 8 is 24, right? And then 24 plus the original length, 8. So the total length becomes 32, not 40. Yeah, so that's the mathematical part. Don't worry, Heston. Hopefully this will come up for you. But oh yes, having said that, your experiment could be something on this.
Do you want to curse me or something?
This is a common experiment for O levels.
O levels.
Yeah.
Then wouldn't this be considered easy for O level?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not
It's not.
really. Oh,
Come, Heston, your turn. This is a tricky
I
question.
answered this question just now.
Oh,
now
but you
it's-
volunteer for that. Right?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Just because tomorrow my exam.
Yeah.
You want this one my exam present is it? Not my ang pao money is it?
No, I want you to get A.
B.
Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Good. Don't screw up on this question. Don't.
Don't blink.
Well, number 7, I think I've gone through it earlier. Unless you want me to go through it again, I think it's fine. No? Okay, then I shall move on. Yeah.
Wait, if it's not B.
Create a very high.
Not this.
Is it CRD? Yeah, of course.
Hey, sorry.
Yeah,
I did it. I said that.
yeah.
Oh.
I mean, that question is similar to this one. Did you not say that when these two are aligned, you have the strongest tie?
I a bit, yeah, sometimes I a bit weird one. If you don't know.
Yeah. But anyway, don't worry, this will not come up for you.
Explain your choice, no, screw you, inspired.
Okay, next one. This one. Which the following changes are due to forces? Tell me.
Tell me.
Mm-hmm.
All of it, that's pretty.
You get it correct, actually.
I didn't even do it.
Oh, fires and arrow. Which one of the forces causes the arrow to move?
Okay, which one? Which one are you at?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, right.
Question 2.
Oh, wait, let me do it. An archer fires an arrow shot causes the pull of the arrow on the string, the push, pull of the pull, the push of the arrow.
Tricky, right?
Yeah. No, I'm supposed to answer it.
Okay, then you answer it now.
Firstly, it's not the string, it's the bow, correct? It's the bow.
What is acting on the arrow? The bow or the string? Which
No.
one is more direct?
The string is more direct,
Yeah.
but it's the. Yeah.
That's the bow is the.
Yeah, the bow is the one that has the bending thingy majig.
Now, guys, let's go back to basics. What am I interested in?
The arrow.
Yeah.
The
So
arrow.
draw the arrow up, and I only care about what is acting on the arrow.
Wow, you A star.
Yeah, but you are pulling the string, but the string is pushing the arrow, right? Okay.
B. So you need to stop siding with
Oh, I mean, she's correct. What?
Stop siding with
Oh, okay. Then you got to brush up. Then I will side with you.
a block of wood is drag. Huh?
I don't know.
A block of wood is dragged across the desk using a sequence differential 20%. What is the size and direction of frictional force? First of all, you didn't tell us which direction you pull it.
What do you think?
Oh, wait, now.
Is to the left or right? You are
So
dragging
it's the
to the
my left.
yes, of course.
So
It's
it B
dragging to the
Square.
left.
is D. Yeah.
So it shows a reading of 20 newtons. So does that mean there's a force pulling on the block? I'm interested in the block, right? Then of course my friction is to the left or to the right. Friction?
To the right.
Yes, right, yeah. This is friction, to the right, yeah.
Wait, what is the size and direction of the frictional force? Frictional force.
So
It's got to be D.
either A or C.
Huh?
They ask for the frictional force.
Oh.
So it's to the right, correct? Then friction is to the right.
Oh.
Hey, don't be careless, Ashton.
It's confused D.
So it's either A or C.
A.
Why A?
A.
Yeah, why? Guess.
Because A.
Can it
Please
be
tell me the
C?
answer first. Sure.
Can it be C? Why not?
Please tell me the answer.
Yeah. If it's C, 40 newtons is greater than 20 newtons, then
Yeah.
how come the block is still moving?
So it's A, right?
Yes, A.
A. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh, this is tough. This is tough. But it may come up for you.
Huh?
It may come up for you.
Obviously,
It's tough. These are tough questions.
just say I'm gonna die for tomorrow.
Well, never say die, right? Okay, now Ashton, easy question.
Ethan.
Ashton, don't take too long.
If I got that wrong, that would be really sad. That would be on a depressing level.
Yes, very. Okay, two identical magnets. Which one gives the highest reading on the balance?
Arrangement. I'm reading the question.
Oh, you mean you haven't done it?
No.
Okay, I should ask me then.
Wait.
Yeah,
That question.
it's okay. I trust you.
Because R got rebelling.
Mhm.
You see.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Primary school question, by the way. That you make it correct. Okay, this one is not so easy.
What is
This one is not easy. This one is not easy.
Up as he falls down towards the ground, he reaches a constant speed. How would we describe the force of every instant that acts on
This one is not easy.
increases as he goes faster until it is less than the rate of comparison. What are you saying?
This one is difficult.
What are you saying?
This one is super difficult.
You have said that for the third time. You don't need to repeat yourself.
Oh, yeah, you did say your paper is gonna be difficult, right? So I give you difficult questions. Okay, first thing, do you agree that it's slowing down?
What?
There's a force that is slowing down.
No.
Oh, no, sorry. It speeds up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is difficult.
I go in the positive direction, 8+2.
Okay, it speeds up as the force influences the ground until it reaches a constant.
What is the E?
Which it
This E.
decreases that air resistance, force of air resistance.
What?
That is it.
Does the air resistance have weight?
Huh? There's nothing about weight, right?
This direction.
It's a force.
Less than the weight of the parachute.
Ashton, come let's Go back to basics. This guy is falling down. Okay, let's draw him.
You see that? Oh my god, my long lost friend. He's yet once again absent.
What are the forces acting on him? I mean, on the whole thing as a whole.
Weight.
Yes, of course, there's weight. What else?
Oh.
Where's air resistance? Downwards, outwards.
Upwards.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, they are
That's
separate
easy.
forces. Back to the question. Now, important thing. For this case, air resistance is changing. That is why it's so difficult.
That's crazy.
That's why it's so difficult. But is it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing or decreasing? Wait, let me answer this. What's your question again?
Is your air resistance increasing or decreasing with time? It's very difficult.
Increasing.
Yes.
That's why he can't increase his speed further because air resistance is increasing until it equals to the weight.
So this, what the hell?
Okay.
He increases the air resistance, increases, and English, okay.
Anyway,
That help question.
be thankful there are no formulas here. Once you go to opposite, you need formulas to solve it.
I think this question needs to see a therapist.
Huh.
It's crazy.
Number 6 or 7? 6.
Six.
Okay, 7. Come, Ashton, you better get it right.
I mean, we were talking about this just now.
Yes,
If
so
I got this wrong, I think I don't deserve to.
okay, no need to continue. You know what you're trying to say. Okay, this one. Okay, you should get full marks. Even though it's not
crazy.
that's crazy.
Match the forces situation. Drop of rain increasing.
Come with electrostatic. Television screen, good. Magnetic, good.
Can I answer that directly?
Sure, frictional.
Holding a pencil.
Okay. Gravitational.
The raindrop thing. And
Good.
then the tennis racket is the elastic.
Okay, good. Full marks. Okay, I won't explain unless you have questions about them.
What's the unit of SI unit of electrostatic?
Electrostatic what?
What's the SI unit of energy? Joule, right?
Yes.
The family joules.
Okay. This one is a bit subjective. I normally don't like this sort of question. Exerts what?
We don't have that on our paper.
Oh, you don't have? Oh, okay. I'll
You
ignore
only
it.
gave us MCQ.
Oh, okay. Never mind, then I ignore it. Anyway, I never like this sort of question. This one, you have this.
What?
You have this question?
No, we don't have
You
the
don't?
other bits of the question. The whole thing.
Oh, okay. Well, I think you should have this one.
No, we just said we don't have the other bits.
You don't have this one too? Oh, okay.
Wait, sure. Last lesson, did you go through like little paper?
No, that's why I want to go through today.
Yeah, but I'm going through the other one. Not going through this.
Oh, only after that I realized that I haven't finished this with you guys.
So let's go through this and not waste time of you standing up going to wait.
Yeah, I know.
Since we already have this.
But just now you were claiming that, oh, your radiation is not coming out, so no need to study.
Radiation is not coming up.
Mm.
Do you not see what topics I just showed you just now?
Hey, you didn't bring this,
Oh, naughty. That's crazy, man.
Actually, I assume, yeah, I assume you've done this, This one is quite silly, because you have to look at the shaded portion. If you didn't notice the shaded portion, then too bad. You won't be able to solve it.
For me. Why would you need to look at the shaded portion? Immediately you know metal conduct heat the best. The shaded portion does not matter.
Do you know silver is a metal too?
Oh.
So to
Oh, I
between these
forgot.
two, you have to still compare this portion.
What's the portion about?
So you notice iron has more exposed portion. So most of the wax has melted off from the iron.
Yeah.
More wax has melted.
It's almost as if I got beginner's luck.
That's fine.
That's crazy, man. Okay.
Me okay, all right.
That was the most.
Ashton.
Holy. Wait.
Because this one come up for a test, this view for you.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Let me analyze the question again. When water is heated up in a kettle, when air is put in an air conditioning room, when ice cream melt under the sun, when metal spoon turn hot in hot drink. Wow, jialat. What is that sound? Okay,
What's the best answer?
what's the what?
Best answer.
Hopefully, it's D.
Okay, let's see your luck.
Because it is a solid.
Okay, that's very smart. That's very smart. Come, how about C, Ashton? What's the heat transfer mechanism?
Alright, for C, that one is the heat from the sun go to the eye cream.
Mm.
Oh my god. Huh?
What's the heat transfer mechanism for C?
Oh. You mean like convection, radiation, or conduction?
Mm. Oh, so you better recognize, huh?
I'm assuming that's hopefully radiation.
Oh, excellent. You see, you're better than you think.
And then A is obviously convection. If I didn't know that it was convection, I'm
Okay,
gonna be on my knees in a wall now.
okay, great. I'm not going to write down, but yeah, you got the
Wait.
answers.
What's B? What's B? What is B?
D is not so easy. Yeah.
Is it radiation?
D is not so easy. No. How is it? How does radiation work? No, not in this case.
When there's no medium involved.
Are you sure there's no medium?
No, radiation is when there's no medium involved.
Hey, come.
Just now you say.
Come. It can. It may not have a medium.
Wait, hey, don't do your words, sure. That's what
Come.
you say. You say got no medium.
I said it doesn't need a medium, but it can pass through a particular medium. What is that? Radiation can pass through what? Oh, you better know. Nobody knows. Wait,
What?
radiation.
I was waiting for your answer, but okay, let me guess.
Radiation can pass through what?
Wait, a medium is a particle.
A medium means is a form of matter. Can be a liquid, a gas, or a solid.
So I'm assuming in this situation again. Can you let me speak?
It's okay lah, huh?
Got so many correct answers. That means that my time.
Yeah, man, you have your chance.
Wait, so what?
I'm not sure. Neither. Okay, this one is quite special. It's probably closest to be a mix of convection and conduction. Not even going into the details. Or it can be a mix, obviously.
Which of the following does not prevent heat loss by radiation? Does not prevent heat loss by radiation.
Actually,
surface.
Which one is the odd one?
Wait.
Look at these four
There's
surfaces.
a difference between shiny and bright.
Is there?
No.
So which is the odd one now?
Black.
Yeah, don't you
Black
think,
color. Today, in science, we are all no, I cannot see.
But listen. Oh, by the way, anytime you see black, white, it's about radiation most of the time, unless it's a trick question.
Science is so bad. That's very weird.
It's okay.
That's not okay.
Anyway, tell me the answer.
Wait,
Oh, you haven't done it yet.
Order of thumb that is thing about wax. From fastest to slowest.
Which one will emit the most heat?
X, Z, Y. So X, Z, Y would be A. A. Please be A. Tolong, thank you. Oh my day.
May I ask you no question about that? Okay, this one emits the most heat, followed by this. This one emits the least heat.
Which of the diagrams shows a temperature measuring device that changes temperature using resistance?
Oh, this one is tough. This one is tough.
I know my answer.
Oh, by the way, it's not fair in the sense that they use the word resistance. In this case, resistance refers to electrical resistance.
Huh? What? Who is BD?
So is the yes.
How is that? Yeah, it's not fair. How is that related to electrical resistance?
How is that related? Okay, as temperature increases, resistance of a substance increases. Oh, you're going to learn this soon at the end of the year.
Oh my days.
This is your favorite physics.
Wait, can you say that again?
Temperature increases, resistance increases, and
For-
current
Increases.
decreases.
Wait, and current?
Your electrical circuit has a current, right?
What is this?
Oh, this is electricity.
Help me.
But never mind. This probably won't come up for you.
Oh. Wait, no, that's a good thing. Wait, probably.
But probably.
You said that probably won't come up for me.
Yeah.
Probably not a good answer. I need a solid answer.
There are no solids in life. You take your chances.
But there are solids in science. And science is life. Hey.
Oh, well, you haven't seen the real world yet.
A scientist work like a scientist was statement.
Okay, come. Ashton, you better know this one. Why is alcohol used?
Why is alcohol sometimes used instead of mercury in clinical thermometers? Because right, it is cheaper and safer. Mercury is toxic.
Yes.
It can kill you, even with contact.
Yeah.
If your skin touches it, it also gives you reaction.
Yeah, you get poison. Right, come. Next one, better know this too.
Yeah. In cold countries, a heater is used to keep the room warm. How is heat transferred through the heating elements of the heater and the air? How is heat transferred through the heating elements of the heater and air? How is heat transferred through the heating elements and
Solid, liquid, or gas.
So here,
So, oh, by the way, I hope you know what's heating element, huh? It's that hot metal part, which is directly linked to the electrical circuit. So how did the heating element become hot? How did the air become hot?
C.
Right, so basically, the heating element is metallic. It becomes hot due to electricity. All right, and that is a form of conduction.
No, you're telling me there's two correct answers in this question.
Yeah, because
Actually,
in the room, it goes by both radiation and convection. In the room contains air, right? Air is a fluid, right? So convection applies. But don't forget, radiation can pass through air as well. Okay, so both. Actually, it's both in real life. Oh, Ashton.
why?
Okay, this one is a difficult one.
Why do you all Ashton me? Oh my days, please don't tell me this is gravity related.
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay.
It's geography related.
No, I failed geography since the start of last year.
Okay, try to pass it. Oh, this is difficult, but it may come up for you.
No, no,
This is very difficult.
not good. Which of the following correctly shows the
Oh, yeah.
movement of the current form?
There's something that you need to know. Hopefully you do. What is
Land.
land breeze? Means the wind is blowing from land to sea. Okay.
Oh, wow, how does the sun or the moon matter?
How? Now, this chapter is about heat transfer, right? Because they affect the temperature. This one is very difficult. Oh, by the way, land to sea. Come, which diagram shows you land to sea?
So it's A and B,
Good.
C and D is out.
Okay.
So hopefully, my answer
But
is
actually, okay. So what's the difference? Day
Answer is
and night.
answer is A.
Yeah. That sounds like a guess.
小的 land to sea, then the wind be closer to the sea, land to sea.
This one.
In the name, right?
Okay, come Heston, calm down. The difficult part is this. At night, which is hotter, sea or the land?
The sea.
Yes, sea is hotter at night. Okay, sea is warmer. Land is cooler. Come Heston, take note, because this is warmer, therefore your air rises. Warm air rises, remember? And since your land is cooler, the air will sink, but there's nowhere to sink except towards the sea. Okay? So cool air sinks, warm air rises. Okay, Ashton? Okay, if not, never mind. Hope that it doesn't come out.
Hope isn't enough.
Hope isn't enough. Okay, let's finish this off. This is vacuum. Vacuum. Once you see the word vacuum, there's one thing that is connected to. What is it? Okay.
Wow, that's crazy.
Okay, but it's not like that, unfortunately. In this case,
Oh my god.
in this case, it's talking about reducing heat. Remember? Remember, it's a vacuum. Vacuum means no conduction.
你讲 no conduction, then
No
the word conduction
convection.
answer. Yeah, no conduction, no convection.
Yeah.
Then,
But it reduces heat transfer. Yeah, so there is no conduction and no convection and minimal radiation. Good luck. All right. Okay, last one. Which is the longest? Come on.
sure, you still got confidence in me or not?
Yeah, I'm sure you can. You get a decent job.
Like what?
Can get B. Come, Ashton. One more, last one. Longest time to reach room temperature, meaning which one is the poorest emitter of radiation?
Your charges since the start of the lesson, it has been 98%.
Or because
It indicates that you're charging,
yeah.
and when you charge while using, I've observed that when you charge while using the battery increases, but I've always been saying that I think you should change your charger.
Oh, it's okay. I am comfortable. Come, finish off.
Once you finish off,
Question 10.
the diagram below shows 4 metal blocks, each painted with a different color and heated to 100 degrees. Which block will take the longest time to get to room temperature? I would say
Which one?
B.
Which one is the poorest emitter?
Oh, poorest emitter.
Poorest means longest time, right?
Yeah.
It's not losing heat. You want to retain heat.
C.
Yellow.
Wait.
Doing myself.
A.
Mm.
Because brighter and silver is like metal and metal is like shiny.
Yeah. So it's going to lose heat very slowly. Okay. Good piece of cake. Let's see, anything else I need to tell you? Do you have this with you, Ashton?
Yeah.
Okay, come. There's limited time, so I guess mention those. Okay, that's easy one. What kind of thermometer is this?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Clinical thermometer.
Okay, good. Clinical thermometer. Some people call it bulb thermometer because of the bulb here. That's fine too. But clinical is correct as well.
Didn't you cover the answer?
Yeah,
Why do you still write?
because there's another answer as well.
Best reading.
Oh, that's life.
What is the liquid used in alcohol lah?
Yes. May you know, right? Alcohol.
What if you say mercury? That also correct.
Well, people still use mercury in the real world.
Yeah, so you say mercury, is that correct?
It depends on how fussy your teacher is.
What the hell?
So just stick to bulb thermometer or
Like,
clinical
and
thermometer.
if you answers
Hmm.
from real life is still correct. There's no depends.
Yeah,
Just 跳 one.
that's real life too.
跳.
Come, why is this liquid suitable? Why is alcohol suitable?
Because it is safer and cheaper. So smart to use that
Yes.
from the MCQ answer.
Uh,
Because it's safer and cheap. Than mercury.
but what else? You're right.
It is more accurate in terms of temperature taking.
Ashton, I strongly suggest for your test, look at the scale as well. I'm not saying you're wrong, you're correct. Safer, cheaper, but do you notice the scale here?
Why is there a net? Why does it go up slightly above? Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Why does it go slightly above and below? So like why does it isn't it normal for it to be zero? Isn't it normal for it to be at 0 and 100? But no. Why is it at 110?
Oh no, this is
Is it for accuracy?
no, I forgot something too. I was tricked to you can't use alcohol.
So it's mercury.
Yeah, it's mercury. Why?
How are you tricked?
Fine. You look at the scale. You know, right? Yeah, don't worry.
I mean, why would I? So,
Yeah, this is important, especially for
but
like
okay, I got to admit that the B2 would be like a difficult question. I think not many will be able to answer the fact that why would mercury be.
yeah, let's ask me why is mercury the answer?
Before you give me the opportunity, I have an answer in mind.
Tell me now.
Is it because mercury is heat sensitive?
Good, but that's not the main answer. It's
But was that close?
no, there's something else that you all didn't think about.
Do you know? Are you paying attention?
Now, first thing, you want this to be a liquid.
Oh.
So it can measure down to -10 and 110. So water is out.
Yeah, because water's
If you
highest temperature is 100 degrees. That's the body.
yes, good. But how about alcohol?
Alcohol, I don't know, but it's definitely more than water. Please tell me this.
Come May, what's the boiling point for alcohol? 300. No, it's 78.
Why? How the hell?
So anything once it's above 78, it becomes a vapor. And that's it. It can't work in the thermometer anymore. So alcohol is out too. But mercury is about your 300, oh no, not more than, I can't remember the exact number, but definitely more than this number here. Yes. But that means, are you sure? 178? Are you sure? I don't have a thermometer right now.
Not.
Yeah, that's a good point. That is a very good point.
Wait, what did she say?
No, she also says that thermometers usually, don't they measure more than 78? Don't they measure about 100?
Yeah. Yeah, true. That is a good point.
That's a
Because
good point.
usually, not all thermometers are to measure human temperature. It also needs to measure other things in clinics, especially in clinics.
Okay. Let me check that out. But my answer to you, that means they are not using that kind of alcohol. It's another kind of alcohol.
So there's another specific kind of alcohol that has a higher boiling point.
There are thousands of alcohols.
Oh, there is. I thought there's only one kind.
But only one kind can drink.
Oh.
Okay, let me check it out. But that's a good point. Good point. Really.
That's a very good point. That's crazy.
Oh, but this one you must answer. Come, last one. They're too excited. Come, why is the bulb a thin glass for?
The bulb of the thermometer is something to think about. So that there's the most accurate reading. Because if it was because glass is a what's it called? The bad conductor of heat. I forgot what the scientific word. Yes, an insulator. Glass is an insulator of heat. Therefore, the thicker the glass, the worse the accuracy. The lesser the accuracy is. So there is a thin glass wall so that no, there is a thin glass wall used as the for the best accuracy in temperature reading.
Yeah, I think I still
Wait, is my answer correct?
yeah, but I still want to affirm my earlier narrative or description about you. You really need to gather your thoughts a bit, you know. Yeah, correct. Okay, basically allows heat to pass through, right? Heat transfer is easy. Oh, by the way, what mechanism is this? How does the glass wall allow heat to go through? By what mechanism? By glass.
Repeat your question.
How does heat transfer through glass?
How does heat transfer through glass?
Yeah, you better know that, huh? So, I mean, I actually know all these points though, therefore the reading is accurate. You then wait a long time for the reading to stabilize. But come, Ashton, last advice for you for tomorrow. When you see a heat transfer question, for whether it's heat transfer, make sure you mention is conduction or convection. Teachers should look for that, no? No.
Yes, that's like the most like the keyest keyword
Yeah.
of all.
And also look at the medium. Is it, since there's no radiation, right? You say so it's either liquid, solid, or gas. Determine that, and then that should give you your answer. Is it conduction or convection? Okay. No, there won't be vacuum. I hope your teacher didn't lie. So yeah, that's the basic. Any question?
Am I going to meet it out alive tomorrow?
You should be able to. You should be able to. You try writing out all the keywords.
Sorry?
Okay, never mind. Forget about it.
Wait, what's your question?
You write out all the keywords for these few chapters.
I have it in mind.
Okay, hopefully can recall them. Pressure.
Pascal.
That's the units. Force. Area. All right. I mean,
Sure.
you look at your question. which kind of these keywords can be fitted in, and then you use that keyword in the answer.
Also don't know how long the test is gonna be, so
No, at most 1 hour.
hopefully it's gonna be, I don't know, like an hour or something.
Lastly, Ashton, go back. Memorize this. I said it just now. Go and memorize this.
I'm going. I am going to die. I am not going to make it out alive.
Okay, send a message to me through Telegram.
I don't have Telegram.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can send it to WhatsApp.
You got WhatsApp?
WhatsApp.
You got WhatsApp?
I thought you have it. Yeah, of course. The normal number.
I text.
Yeah.
Who am I texting?
Of course, other people will see it lah, but I will read it too.
Oh, you might always.
I will, just a matter of time.
Then what's the point of texting?
No, I just want to know how well you do.
Oh, alright. Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Time even is it? When did time go so fast? Funny.
Go back and study.
What?
Go back and study. You still got history, right?
My dear, let's go.